today's a really exciting day because I've been sent a parcel, and it's a big one. I'm really looking forward to unpacking this, setting it up, and showing you how it works. Now, I think the most important part of this package is going to be this, the instructions. So I'm going to be following these pretty carefully. Once the basic assembly is done, then you can start fine-tuning the components, I suppose. Does this remind you of anything? Like something out of Star Wars? Corner piece that attaches to your hose at the other. Yes, I'm pretty happy with the assembly process. It's pretty easy, even for a non-engineering type like me. But I want to show you what's really exciting about this particular cleanup sluice slash mini Highbanker setup. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because Dustin from Gold Rat has sent me not just the mat that normally comes with this setup, which is, I believe, the mini mat, uniform size cells all the way through, but he's also sent me 2 other mats to test out. And one of these is the combo mat, which, as you can see, 3 different size vortex cells. And this is similar to what the Adventure Sluice, the backpack sluice, has. 3 different size vortex cells means 3 times the chance of catching problematic gold. I don't know. Whatever is not caught in the first tiny little vortex is likely to be picked up in the next 2 sizes. And the third mat is the micro mat. Really small vortex cells, really good for fine gold, and you can run this at a lower and slower speed. At least that's the theory. I'm absolutely spoilt for choice now. There's no excuse not to catch all the gold in my cons. But before you use any of the dream mats for the first time, there's a very important step that you cannot skip. Warm water, a bit of detergent, give them a good soak. Now, the reason for cleaning those mats is during the production process they can get a little bit of manufacturing residue on them that helps the silicon mold process. You want to get all that stuff off because gold can actually stick to that material if you don't remove it. So give it a good scrub. Slide it up. underneath the clamp. It's all a bit new, so it's a bit tight getting in there. Now that mat is not going anywhere, not until you want it to anyway. And this unit comes with everything that you need to turn it into a clean-up sluice, including an 1100 gallon per hour pump. So the only thing you need to supply yourself is a 12-volt battery to run the pump. This is one that I picked up at Bunnings. But anyway, they're pretty cheap, so buy a few of them if you need them. So another important step is to make sure that you've freed all the air bubbles out by just simply using a toothbrush. So a quick walk around the system. Got a catch pan in there to catch the cons so that I'm not sort of fouling the pump. Battery's connected there. It's pretty good, got no leakage there. And that angle is sitting at about 7 degrees, which is within the range. Anyway, let's give it a crack. A lot of the gold didn't even make it down to the cells. It just dropped out at the first opportunity, which is just over the end of the clamp there. So most of the gold is in these top cells here. You can see it just sitting there. And there's just one piece that I can see that's migrated down to the middle size cells, but I wouldn't expect there to be any gold in those bottom cells. So that was the gold that was caught by the mat. You can see it's quite a range of sizes.